So this one skillet Creole dish will be full of flavor, but not necessarily spicy. You can make it spicy if you like. So I'm going to introduce you to the Holy Trinity of Creole food. We're going to be using some chicken thighs, some Cajun Creole seasoning, corn on the cob, and a package of jambalaya mix. So this will be simple, all in one skillet. So you could use any Creole seasoning that you prefer. This is Zatarain. Zatarain's is original Cajun seasoning. You could also use Tony Chachere's and other brands that are out there. I prefer Zatarain's. So I just sprinkle and coat the chicken. I usually coat it pretty thoroughly. It's going to come off the chicken while it's cooking a bit. If you want to add some zing to it, throw some cayenne pepper in it. Okay, that's coated pretty well. I'm going to put it in the skillet, and then I'll put a coat on the top. Let's get to the stove. I'm going to start by adding some butter to a hot pan. So this pan is hot. Now I'm going to add my chicken thighs. Now I will season the top of these thighs with that Zatarain. That looks pretty good.
Nom 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 nom.
Now we're going to add the Holy Trinity,
Which is
peppers, celery,
even vegetable.
and onion. These three vegetables are the foundation of many, many, many Creole Cajun dishes. So we just want this chicken to brown and let these vegetables saute a little bit, get a little bit translucent. I am going to turn the fire up a little bit, and let's see how this goes. Those vegetables are beginning to cook a little bit. I'm just going to stir them around.
Smelling good.
Now I'm going to turn this chicken. Oh yeah, that's what we want. We want that chicken to be nice and brown. So now let's take a look at this chicken.
Okay.
Oh yeah, that's turned nice and brown. There we go. And these vegetables have begun to brown as well and caramelize a little bit. And that's really what we want here. So this is jambalaya mix. It's just rice with seasoning. Now, this particular brand is just an Aldi's brand. I like the Zatarain's, but this is what I had handy. So what you'd want to do is just break up some of these clumps of the seasoning, stir it up a little bit, let this rice get evenly distributed around the pan. That's good. Now the directions say to add 3 cups of water. I'm just going to spread that around. Make sure those seasonings get mixed in good, mixed in well. Now I'm going to take my corn and just lay it right down in here. There we go. That looks good. If you've ever been to a Cajun crawfish boil, you know that they cook their crawfish and they just throw their corn and their onions and their potatoes all right in there with the food. So I'm going to put just some more of the seasoning right on top of that corn. As that corn cooks, it's going to pick up a lot of the flavors that's in that jambalaya mix. Now, jambalaya is really just a corn, jambalaya is really just a rice casserole. So this has come up to a boil. I'm going to turn it down to low, and I am just going to watch it for probably about 20-30 minutes and stir it occasionally. And there it is. This is one pan Cajun dinner. It's going to be delightful and flavorful and really not as spicy as you might think. So let's see how this is doing. Oh yeah. Oh, I can smell that corn. That rice is almost done. That chicken should be nice and tender. Let's give this about another 5 minutes or so. Let it soak up all this water. Okay, let's see how this is doing. Ooh, that looks good. So now I'm going to plate this up. Nice piece of corn. Piece of chicken. Let me get some of that jambalaya on there. Now that looks good. You can top that with some green onions or parsley. Now, this could also be done with shrimp. It could be done with sausage or any combination thereof. If you're using sausage, the authentic method is to use andouille sausage. But if you don't have andouille, you could use like a kielbasa or something like that, a country sausage. If you like this and you learned something, feel free to like, subscribe, and share. Try it. It's simple, it's easy, it's delicious. Have fun. Thank you.